Types of adverb. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation, adverb of attitude, adverb of manner, interrogative adverb, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, relative adverb. Adverb of time. Adverbs that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us when things happen are called adverb of time. Example: it's time for Mark to get a job. Adverb of reason. An adverb of reason provides an explanation for the cause or motivation behind an action. Example: therefore, thus, hence, so, before. Adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where something happens. Adverb of place usually placed after the main verb. Example: here, where, away, everywhere, outside, around. Adverb of affirmation. An adverb of affirmation is an adverb that is used in a sentence to affirm it as true. Example: really, truly, definitely, absolutely. Adverb of attitude. Attitude adverbs express the writer's attitude towards the state or action described in the sentence. Example: fortunately, luckily, obviously, unfortunately, and unluckily. Adverb of manner. An adverb of manner describes how you do an action. Example: they dress elegantly. Interrogative adverb. The interrogative adverbs why, where, how, and when are placed at the beginning of a question. Adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. Example: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree help us to express how much we do something. Example: very slightly, quietly, totally, fairly. Relative adverbs are adverbs that are used to introduce an independent class that functions as an adverbial modifier within a sentence. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for my motivation. See you soon. Bye bye.